Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make good thumbnails using ChatGPT. So I'm on ChatGPT right now, and this is what you're going to see. You just go under create an image, and now it's going to be with the prompt of creating an image. And all I had to do is hit on this plus icon and then add photos and files. And I'm just going to find a good reference image that I want to use. And let's find one that I just made. Let's see. Okay, so I just took the screenshot and create an image for a YouTube video titled "How to Make Good Thumbnails with ChatGPT with text using chat." I should probably put it in quotes. Chat. Hold on. Using. You also just got to figure out the prompt. Make thumbnails. All right. Let's see what it generates. So this is going to be the first attempt, and you could always go back in and modify if there's something specific on the image that's going to generate that you don't like. Then just go back in and change it, or just type something that you don't like about it. So this is the reference image. It's just me in my office holding up my phone. I just want to see what it does with its phone, and I'll probably make two different versions. Just do an A and B thumbnail test. So here we go. Creating an image, and I'm using the free version. I currently am not paying for ChatGPT. Will I in the future? Potentially, if I find a need to make more thumbnails than I'm allowed. I think you're allowed to generate X amount of thumbnails. Okay. I don't like the fact that it's using. All right, we'll keep that, and let's see. Let's do try again. Let's see what it pops up. So we'll use this as thumbnail A, and then thumbnail B will be this one here. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not super thrilled about this one. I mean, you can see my reference image. It did a good job of making me, gotta say. So I don't know, maybe this will perform well. We'll see. We'll see what it spits out as the second one here. I'm very curious. I've just been using this more lately because it's able to spit out much better results than I'm able to make myself with Photoshop. And I'm not at a point where I could be hiring thumbnail designers for like $100 per thumbnail. I've had people quote me, and that's what they're like asking for. It's like, my videos don't even make $100 per video, so it just doesn't make sense for me right now. So, and this even is free. So I don't know. In my current position, I don't see why I wouldn't be using something like this to make the thumbnails. But okay, adding finishing touches. So this is going to be thumbnail B. This is the exact same thing. All right. Well, I mean, it did try again, and maybe I had to be more specific. But this, in a nutshell, is how you make like a really quick thumbnail using ChatGPT. I mean, again, the two results aren't that different, but if I wanted to be really picky about it, I could just enter more prompts and just change it as I go. So that, in a nutshell, is just how you make one for free real quick. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching.